welcome to Kukra's vlog. Today I'm in the Sabzi shop all alone and I will give you a little tour around. I think the guys are talking in Pashto. Tomatoes, cucumber, Karela. Is this kaddu? I don't know if this is kaddu or is this kaddu. Bhai, ye kya hai?
Ye kaddu.
Kaddu. That's it, guys. I got it right. Lemons. It's quite cool, this. So I got tomatoes, cucumber. I don't know how much this is. I don't know how to ask, but we move. So guys, I'm just gonna try this. So guys, I'm just gonna try things in the shop. Ye bhi kha loon. Ye bhi kha loon. Ye bhi theek hai. All the aunties are looking at me like funny, like what is she doing in this shop? But guys, I always like coming here because the mint leaves are so good. Ye bhi chakloon. Nice. Look at these mangoes. Guys, guess what? It's aloo. I don't know which one to pick. What's the difference? Oh, ye wale or ye wale.